Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my coffin. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you the best PC parts to build a Windows 98 gaming computer. If you play those games, then just buy all the parts and install MS-DOS 6.22 or FreeDOS. As to the motherboard, you should pick one with socket 775. The older one supports Pentium 4 and the newer ones support Core 2 Duo, Core 2 Quad, Core 2 Extreme CPUs. I've seen from some YouTube videos that it is possible to install Windows 98 on Core 2 Duo or Core 2 Quad. Windows 98 will only use one core, so only look at single core performance when looking for the CPU. The most powerful core to duo is the A8500 or E8600. The most powerful core to quad is Q6600, Q6700, or maybe even Q9650. The mass GDP of the most powerful CPU is 140 watts. Windows 98 will support by default maximum 512 MB of memory. It can also run DDR2 or DDR3 memory if it is supported by the mainboard. Maybe it is better to pick two 256 sticks because some motherboards may support dual channel memory. As to the graphics cards, on the Nvidia side, the 6000 series is the last one with official support for Windows 98. It supports both AGP and PCI video cards. The most powerful are GeForce 6800 GT, GeForce 6800 Ultra, GeForce 6800 Ultra Extreme Edition. They all have 70 watts TDP and maybe it is also possible to set up SLI if it is supported by the video card and the driver. As to the AMD RTI side, the most powerful PCI and AGP card with official support for Windows 98 are the Radeon X850 Pro and X850 XT. While talking about PCI-only ATI video cards, the most powerful ones are Radeon X850 ST Crossfire Master and Radeon X850 XT Platinum Edition. All the ATI video cards have 70 watts TDP as well. It is also possible to maybe set up Crossfire if you have two X850 XT Crossfire Master Edition. As to the power supply, 300 watt PSU will be okay, both the CPU and the GPU don't draw too much energy. As to the power supply, 300 watt PSU will be okay because both the CPU and the graphics card don't draw too much energy. If you manage to find the Kenwood 2X72X, it will be the fastest CD drive. Otherwise, by a combo multi-CD RW, DVD RW, both SATA and IDE will work, but IDE will give you better compatibility with legacy software. As to the monitor, the best choice would be a CRT 4x3 monitor with 2048 by 1536 resolution because it is the highest resolution supported by the VGA interface. Otherwise, a 1600 by 1200 more modern LCD will work fine as well. Since the Windows 98 second edition, there are USB drivers, both USB and PS2 mice will work in the same way. As to the keyboard, if you want to go for the classic retro theme, buy an old PS2 white grey office mechanical keyboard such as Cherry G80, G81. Otherwise, if you want the holy grail, By Unicorn keyboards, it is like the original IBM Model M but with PS2 or USB connector. As to the hard disk, by default Windows 98 only supports FAT32 partition scheme and the max hard drive size is 128 GB in IDE only. As to the sound card, a good choice is the Sound Blaster AWE32 because it also supports the Sound Blaster 16 in hardware mode, being perfect for Windows 98 retro gaming. As to the PC case, every old bash case from the 90s will work fine. The Antec SH830-840 is a pretty popular choice among retro PC builders. You could also model the side door by cutting the plastic and replacing it with transparent panel. And this was the PC part list for a Windows 98 retro gaming PC. See you later, guys.